There we
There
go.
we go.
And there go the first
There
series
goes the
of
cover with its
parachutes.
chutes.
And we're on drogues.
And Houston, we're visual 2 drogues out the window.
2 good drogue
Each of those
chutes.
about,
Coming up on the mains.
Next up,
each about 23 feet, 7 meters in diameter.
Next up, the deployment of pilot parachutes that will pull the main chutes out. Time to splash down 3 minutes and 10 seconds.
Amazing imagery here.
Yep. Spacecraft still at quite the
Perfect
speed, but
descent
it will
rate
be slowing
according to
down.
flight dynamics.
Good rate on 2 drogues.
We see the same on board.
You can see it's well below the tracking plane.
Yes, it will be going down to a speed of 19 miles per hour at touchdown.
Passing through
Right, splashdown.
10,000 feet. Still on drogues.
Yeah, the mains separate about 6,000, 5,000 feet in altitude.
Yeah, you don't want them
Coming
out.
soon.
Don't want them out too early. They can break. There we go.
There's
There
the
we go.
cut. There's the deployment of the mains.
Main chute deploy.
Now it'll take a minute to
We're
fully
at 5,000 feet.
inflate. There we go. All 3 looking good.
Search and
Briefing
recovery
in
beacon has been
progress.
activated on integrity.
There we go.
And we have 3 good main
Beautiful.
chutes.
Window.
Good 3 main chutes, good reefing, good descent rate.
Good rates, and we see 3 good-looking parachutes.
Those are each 116 feet or 35 meters in diameter.
They're huge.
265 feet or 80 meters long, and each one
Integrity.
weighs
Cabin
300
pressure indicates
pounds.
no need for hydrazine checks.
Integrity, Captain.
Good, that's no leaking hypergolic fuels.
This is a
That's good.
perfect descent for integrity. Its crew sounding hale and hearty on board. Time to splash down 1 minute, 15 seconds.
I can tell you friends of the crew have been messaging me saying they were holding their breath for that blackout moment. We all knew it was coming, but there's something very disheartening to know that your friends are on board there waiting for that moment for
Integrity about to
reconnection
complete
and when
a
they
journey
heard them.
spanning
Wow.
690, 481 miles from its launch from the Kennedy Space Center back on April 1st, and a trip around the moon.
It's about 1,117,659 kilometers if you use metric.
Again, those
Had
3
that
main
number already.
parachutes helping to slow the spacecraft down. It's still going to be a bit of a jolt to the crew on the actual splashdown itself. Oh, you can see some of the
I love
burning
that.
off there of
Yeah.
those hypergolics, it looks like. Totally fine.
As expected.
Passing
Exactly.
through 1,000 feet.
Approximately 15 seconds to splashdown. It's going to feel a bit like getting into a car accident, but considering that they were just 13 minutes ago traveling at 24,000 miles per hour, this is quite impressive. And again, as we said, that time in the top left was estimated. It obviously varies depending on exact reentry profile, the winds,
Yep.
and all of that.
Closing in now. Let's see the splashdown.
Houston, Integrity, splashdown, sending post-landing
Here we
command
go.
now.
Splashdown confirmed.
Copy splashdown, waiting on VLDR.
Splashdown confirmed at 7:07 p.m. Central Time, 5:07 p.m. Pacific Time.
Houston, Integrity, splashdown, sending post-landing command now.
Splashdown confirmed.
Copy splashdown, waiting on VLDR.
Splashdown confirmed at 7:07 p.m. Central Time, 5:07 p.m. Pacific Time. From the pages of Jules Verne to a modern-day mission to the moon, a new chapter of the exploration of our celestial neighbor is complete. Integrity's astronauts, back on Earth.